Alrighty, about to start week 47. So looking back on week 46, I got Dig Those Earthworms last week, which was my target piece for the year, as it were. So made a good start on that. I still haven't managed to. I've basically been focusing on that in my practice for the last week. So instead of splitting it across all pieces, the majority's gone on to Dig Those Earthworms. And it's proven to be tougher than it seemed actually at the last lesson. I think I've managed to get most of the first part, which is the really tricky bit with the right hand. I think I must have got most of that sort of under the fingers. But playing hands together, I haven't managed to do that yet in any sort of cohesive way. So that'll obviously be a focus for next week and moving forward. I did manage to play the Beautiful Butterfly, which is the pedal piece, a couple of times. So I think I've pretty much nailed that, I think. And the other one, which was been hanging around, is Mr. Spotter Has Lost His Way, which, to be honest, I can't remember a thing about at this point. So it's been a week since I played it. So who knows where that's at. But anyway, scales, I noticed when I was looking back for the goals for the year, that I needed to be able to play them hands together. So in the time allotted for scales in my practice sessions this week, I've been trying them hands together and working my way down through the major scales. And so that's actually been pretty productive actually. I'm pretty happy with the way that's going. I remember when I first tried to do hands together, it was quite tricky. And it's still not fluid, if you like. I'm not consistent in my timing. To sort of think with the fingers crossed, but at least I'm actually getting it reasonably okay at the moment as I've been working through. So obviously we'll work to do there, and I haven't started the minors hands together yet. So just working my way through the majors at the moment down to E major. So I've done looks like G, D, A, and E. Yeah, hands together. So anyway, that'll be the focus for the next few weeks. So I've still got 47, still got 5 weeks before the end of the year. So that'll be enough time to nail those bits from that goal list as well. So anyway, I'm looking really good for achieving all my goals for the end of the year. So that's quite positive. So on to lesson number, must be about 39, I think, maybe 40. Yeah. But anyway, start of week 47, and we'll see how that goes. Great.